Best franchises for veterans usually means models that reward leadership, SOP discipline, and team management. Then match your desired involvement level. If you want semi-absentee or manager run, look for simple operations, steady demand, and clear KPIs, home and commercial services, restoration, cleaning, coatings, mobile/van concepts, and B2B maintenance or compliance, fire safety, waste, IT services. Prefer owner-operator? Consider mission-driven fields like senior care, fitness, youth coaching, security, or logistics, where hands-on leadership builds culture and referrals. Key filters: total project cost, staffing complexity, territory density, recurring revenue, and ramp time. Also weigh veteran incentives, e.g., VetFran discounts, SBA options, and whether multi-unit paths are realistic. A franchise consultant translates your MOS skills and lifestyle goals into criteria. Vet's FDDs and Item 19S arranges owner validation and stress tests absentee versus semi-absentee assumptions. FranchiseFind connects you with vetted consultants who turn broad categories into a short list that fits your budget, schedule, and post-service mission.